okay, so I will drop you here, and I think you
I-upload ko to.
Ano?
I-upload ko.
Down to the stage now. Here we go. Bring it down. Bring it down. When I say, all the way down, 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 all the way down. Ready? You ready? Bring it up! Bring it up!
Ay, dumami na sila. Kaya nga. Ano meron?
Go and then go.
Ah, may cheer. Wow! 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 Woo! Woo! Woo!
Many nights my tears fell harder than rain. Scared I would take my broken heart to the grave.
That's right, music runners, make your way all the way down. Let's get up this start shoot. Yeah.
Cause I know you and me know everything about me. I can't remember.
And just a reminder, we have to keep up with the grass, music runners. We are only running on the road. That's only for the racetrack, for the horses.
We put it down, can't get enough. You'll never see the pain, the tattoo inside my brain. Baby, you know it's obvious. I'm a sucker for you.
That's right, I want to see you guys dancing, alright? Alright, I want to play a little game with you guys. Does everyone know how to play Simon Says? Okay, good, so I say Simon Says. Say Simon Says, hands up. And if I don't say Simon Says, and I say hands down, and you all put your hands down, then you lose. So good, I see you guys down here with your hands up, you did very well. And you kind of put them half down because everyone else did, but then you decided you kept them up because you know the game rules. All right, so a game of Simon Says. Are you ready for this, DJ Sammy Withers? Okay. Simon Says, hands up. Simon Says, hands down. Simon Says, hands to the left. Hands to the right. I got you. Got you. Here we go. Ready. Simon Says, hands up. Hands down. Oh my, wow, that was like 90%. All right, here we go. Simon Says, hands up. Simon Says, hands down. Simon Says, hands to the left. Simon Says, hands to the right. Simon Says, jump.
Yan nga ako sa harap nyo para nakukuha ko ng video.
Tata, hindi kami sa gilid ba?
Gilid?
Minamay ba?
Ay? Kala ko para mag-video, ayos ka.
Kaya ka, hindi ka. Hindi ko alam.
Alright, hands up if it's your first music run. Oh, that's great. Hands up if you've done the music run before, if you were here last year. Oh, that's great. Well, you guys know the score. You know that after the music run finishes, that's just the start of the... We got 1 minute music runners, then we're counting down to get you on that run track.
Siya, diba?
Si Barbie.
Mukha.
Yun lang. Oh, nakuha na kayo ah.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Uy, ba't basa? Oh my God! Ang pangit ka, banding. Alam ko, walkathon lang to ah. Ay, nawala na yung mga tumatakbo. No, kamusta ka, Ate Jax?
Hinihingal na ako.
Nag-ponytail na nga, ang init eh. Kaya kami sa may lalaki kanina eh. Di ba narinig ba ka? Oo. Nagganon din siya. Ang galing ng ilaw, nagpapatay hindi pa rin. Hindi kaya mapundihan. Yan talaga ang ano. Ang alam ko. Pang patay hindi daw talaga yan. Oh. Ba't may mga umiikot dun? Ano? Mga bata? Baka mga 10k yan. Tayo 5k lang eh. Hindi, yun o. Kalawak, ilang kilometro kaya to. Siguro saktong 5k to. Ay, vitamin C. May vitamin C talaga. Hindi ko na kasi ako. Tapos kama na gano'n ako. Sabi ko ganyan, alam mo. Tapos pati yung mga lalaki na gano'n. Sabi ko tumakbo to si ano. Tawa si ano si Bani sa akin. Ata sa Bani. Ando na yun. Nanakbo yun. Dat may libre to ah. Tubig. Kaya nga. Nandoon kanina pala, hindi tayo nagkanino. Naligaw tayo. Ang dami nilang tubig. Wokaton! Wokaton! Pero ang sarap ng lamig. Oo. Buti na lang hindi mainit. Grabe tumakbo yun ah. Ano po masasabi nyo guys?
Okay lang. Okay lang
Chill lang tayo, no?
Ito.
Hindi naman tayo naghahangad ng ano eh.
Yes. Di ba ito yung pangarap nyo, mag-walking tayo? O yan, mag-walking na tayo.
Naka 1 kilometer na lang, gusto nang umupo.
Gusto na umupo, wala pang bench. Sabi niya.
Ay ako.
Ito daw, perfect. Pwede siya mahiga dito. Yan mo yung kakapit lang.
Ang lamig. Liwanag. Wala ka patulog ko. Dito lang kami, te. Huwag mo yung kaming hanapin. Naantok na ako. Oh.
yung walking, dito yung nagra-run. Ganun, di ba? Parang dito.
Sayo muna, sayo muna, sayo muna, sayo muna.
Uy, wow.
Wow! Mukha ka bentusa lang. 6,000 ka na?
Bago ka lang punta dito, ilang steps. Hindi ko na sa bahay lang naman tayo, di ba? Oo. Wala naman tayong ibabintahan eh.
Dali, iwas tayo.
Sabi mo, gusto mo.
Di pa lang umiwas eh. Picture? Picture sa 3 kilometers. Selfie na, selfie na, selfie na. Selfie na. Mga hulas na.
Ganunin mo na lang. Selfie mo na lang.
I wanna get lost in the moment we found. I wanna be all that you see. Tomorrow can wait. There's a time and there's a place till the sun is away.
Nasa sila Ate Helen? Pumayag, pumayag. Ano sabi?
Sabi niya, I can't. When you want to go out, you cannot walk.
Oh.
Natakutan ka.
Nasaan sila Ate Helen?
Ay, nauna eh.
Ah, nauna ba? Sumuko na.
Walang tulog kasi.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga, magtakit ka naman bagad yan. Kaya mo pa ba? Sabi niya, hindi na eh.
Sinakay ka sa shuttle? Parang ano yun, emergency ah.
Oo. Kasi baka magganyan dito.
Kasal, ano pa yun, pupuntahan pa. Ito na kaya yung dalawa.
Bibilis naman.